Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on tips that could change your life. Today, we're diving into something we all want to know, the top 5 secrets to becoming rich star. Whether you're just starting your journey or already on the path to wealth, these secrets will help you take things to the next level. Secret number 1, financial education is key star. If you're serious about becoming rich, you need to understand money, how it works, how to manage it, and how to grow it. Wealthy individuals constantly educate themselves on financial matters. Whether it's reading books, watching videos, or talking to experts, the richest people are always learning. Secret number 2, think long-term, not short-term star. This is one of the biggest mistakes most people make. They focus on quick wins, fast cash, and instant gratification. But wealth is built over time. It's about making smart decisions that compound over the years. Secret number 3, take calculated risk star. Every rich person has one thing in common: they know how to take risks. But here's the key: it's not about being reckless. It's about taking calculated risks. Secret number 4, build multiple streams of income star. One paycheck isn't enough if you want to build lasting wealth. The richest people don't rely on just one source of income, they have multiple streams flowing in. Secret number 5. Last but definitely not least, surround yourself with successful people star. The people you hang out with influence your mindset and your success. Rich people tend to surround themselves with other successful, motivated, and ambitious individuals. We've covered some powerful secrets today. If you're feeling motivated and ready to take your financial journey to the next level, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on tips that can change your life.